Well, hello there, fellow techno warriors. This is your resident tech Sherpa, back again in the digital wonderland that is West LA Computer Expert, the place where we turn tech tragedies into triumphs. Today, I'm on a mission to save you from the fangs of the infamous Geek Squad. Yes, you read it right. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. But before we unsheath the swords of truth, remember to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on my future tech tracks. If you find some value in this video, and I'm pretty sure you will, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it among your tech-tormented friends. Now, let's dive in. You may ask, why do we need to avoid the Geek Squad? You see, Geek Squad is a pack of tech wolves hired by Best Buy, claiming to be the Saint Bernard of all your tech troubles, from computers to smart home devices. With a seemingly well-trained battalion ready to march into your home, office, or store to fix your issues, it sounds like a fairy tale, doesn't it? But beware, my friends, the truth is often bitter. First and foremost, Geek Squad services can make your wallet lighter than a feather. They're notorious for charging exorbitant fees and then seducing you into purchasing unnecessary products. Oh, you need a new hard drive or antivirus software, they say, when all you might need is a simple reboot. They may even charge you for tasks as simple as plugging in a printer or installing a router, things you could master with a quick YouTube tutorial. Save your hard-earned money by doing some homework or hire a local tech guru, like me, who offers you honest advice without breaking your bank. Secondly, the reliability of the Geek Squad is as questionable as a cat guarding a fish shop. They're known to make errors that could land your device in the tech ICU. From deleting vital files to installing unwanted software, they've done it all. And let's not forget the horror stories of Geek Squad technicians being caught with their hands in the digital cookie jar, stealing personal data, or spying on clients. Do you really want to risk your privacy by letting these tech strangers into your digital home? I thought not. Thirdly, I hate to break it to you, but the Geek Squad isn't as geeky as they claim. Many of them are just regular Joes with a smattering of tech knowledge, following scripts and manuals. They often lack the expertise to handle complex or unique problems and might end up giving you advice as outdated as dial-up internet. What you need is a real tech maestro who can play your computer like a symphony. So, by now, it's clear that Geek Squad is about as useful as a chocolate teapot when it comes to solving your tech problems. They're pricey, dubious, and frankly, a bit of a gamble. You're better off with your local tech whisperer, that would be me, who provides quality service without robbing you blind. I've been knee-deep in wires and circuits for over 20 years, and I've got the skills and tools to tackle any PC problem you throw at me. If you're ready to bid goodbye to your tech headaches, head over to my website at weslacomputerexpert.tech and fill out the contact form. I'll get back to you with a free estimate quicker than you can say PC. Or call me at 310-858-1093 to schedule an appointment. I offer house calls and remote support as well.
Thanks for tuning in. If you've learned something new today, or if I've saved you from the clutches of the Geek Squad, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Your support helps keep this channel going and enables me to bring you more valuable content. As always, stay vigilant and tech savvy, my fellow techno warriors. This is your Tech Sherpa, signing off for today. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, you're not alone. Until our next tech trek, stay safe in the digital abyss.